What a day to remember. A day before we enter Holy Week. Sisters and brothers, we now listen to the gospel reading that is quite in the height of the clear na ang plano sa pagdakop ug pagpatay sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo. The plot is already revealed, the plot to kill Jesus. And sisters and brothers, before we enter into this very dramatic event of the life of our Lord, one thing that I want to share with you as I ponder on the readings of today, the day before we enter Holy Week. Sisters and brothers, we have a God who heals division. We have a God who heals the things that may have divided us. We have a God who brings healing in the things that have caused our division. And in that particular description of who God is, we see that He also allows division to happen. No? He allows things nga naay panaglahi. Because for me, in that way, we will appreciate the work of God to bring us into communion. He allows these things to happen nga naay maghimong hinungdan nga kita hinuon mo ra man tag nabahin ani nganong naglalis man ta ani nganong nagubot man ta ani nganong naaman ni wa man ta magkasinabot og klaro nganong man ni. God allows these things to happen again in order for us to long for and really appreciate the beauty of how it is to be united, to be in communion, to be one. Why challenge kon? Wa na division, why challenge kon di ta maglalis sa atong mga nagkadaiyang panglantaw, why challenge? God is challenging us to value, to appreciate how is it to be one, to be united. And that is not an easy task. That desire, that action of God to heal whatever that divides us is not an easy task. We will see that in the days of Holy Week. We have haguan ni daghaning hibuong meetings, haguan, lingkuran, yak-an ni, patuluan nig singot, patuluan punig luha, aron ta magkahiusa. And we will see how serious God is for being one. He underwent and He willingly bore the cross. Andam niya gipasan ang krus ug nagpalansang sa krus aron kita makaila nga usara ang Dios. Ug kita nga misaulog ug musaulog sa passion, death, and resurrection I hope it will bring us closer to Him who wants us to be one. Makighiusa unta pudta niya, kay siya nakighiusa. Andam nga nakighiusa. I want to end my reflections. Kay murag hapit na ang alauna. There's a question there in the last part of the gospel. What do you think? That he will not come to the feast? We know the answer. He really went and attended the feast. What was the feast? The Passover celebration of the Jews. And in that event, God is telling us, I am one with you. I am one with you. And I hope, balik ko, dili sayon, dili lalim, to reach and to have that sense of communion and unity. It's not easy. But that's the very action of God that He went through aron ta makakita sa kaanindot o kabililhon why we should be one and to be in communion with one another. I leave it hanging somehow. Ato ning padayunon as we enter Holy Week.